Good morning everyone. The chapter which we are doing is chapter force, and the topic which we are going to start today is uniform circular motion. In this topic today we will study about uniform circular motion, difference between uniform circular motion and uniform linear motion, centripetal force and centrifugal force. So let's start with our today's first topic, that is uniform circular motion. When a particle moves with a constant speed in a circular path, its motion is said to be uniform circular motion. Some examples of uniform circular motion are motion of planets around the sun, car moving in a circular path with a uniform speed, and electrons revolving around the nucleus. Let us discuss one very interesting fact about uniform circular motion, that is, uniform circular motion is an accelerated motion. In case of uniform circular motion, the speed of body remains constant, but the direction of motion of body changes at every point. Due to change in direction, the velocity of the body also changes. And as we know that acceleration is rate of change of velocity, so acceleration also changes at every point. Therefore, uniform circular motion is an accelerated motion. Our next topic is difference between uniform linear motion and uniform circular motion. Uniform linear motion. It is the uniform motion along a linear path or a straight line. Uniform motion means the speed is constant. Speed and velocity both in case of linear motion. Uniform circular motion is a uniform motion along a circular path. In case of uniform linear motion, the direction of motion is fixed. And in case of uniform circular motion, the direction of motion changes continuously. Uniform linear motion is not an accelerated motion, and uniform circular motion is an accelerated motion, as we have discussed. Examples of uniform linear motion: a car running with a uniform speed of 10 km per hour on a straight road. And in case of uniform circular motion, example is motion of earth around the sun. And we have discussed other examples also, like motion of electrons around the nucleus and motion of car with a uniform speed in a circular path. Now, our next topic is centripetal force. Dear children, we all know that a particle moving in a circular path continuously changes its direction of motion at each point of its path. And we know this change in direction of motion cannot be brought without a force. So, the motion in a circular path is possible only under the influence of a force which is known as centripetal force. So, a force that acts on a body moving in a circular path and is directed towards the center of the circular path along the radius is known as centripetal force. Let's discuss some examples of centripetal force. The first example is, in an atom, an electron moves around the nucleus in a circular path, for which the required centripetal force is obtained from the electrostatic force of attraction on the negatively charged electron by the positively charged nucleus. Our second example is motion of planets around the sun. When a planet revolves around the sun, the gravitational force of attraction between the sun and the planet provides the necessary centripetal force to the planet to revolve around the sun in a circular path. Our next example is motion of moon around the earth. In this case also, the gravitational force of attraction between earth and moon provides the necessary centripetal force to the moon to revolve around the earth in a circular path. And one more example, when a stone tied at the end of a string is whirled in a circular path, holding its other end in hand, the tension in the string provides the necessary centripetal force. So, these all were the examples of centripetal force, and now our next topic is centrifugal force. When a body revolves in a circular path, Centripetal force always acts on the body towards the center of the circle. This means the body is always being pulled towards the center. So, to balance this force, the concept of one more force has to come into place, and this force is known as centrifugal force. So, centrifugal force is a force which appears to act on a body moving in a circular path, and it is directed away from the center around which the body is moving. This force also acts along the radius. Centrifugal force is just a feeling. It is a fictitious force. It is not real. The examples of centrifugal force are when a car makes a hard left turn, passengers might feel thrown to the right of the car. This we experience in our daily lives also. When a car or a bus takes a circular turn, we always feel thrown in the outward direction, and this happens due to centrifugal force. A centrifuge is also an example of centrifugal force. Let us discuss some more examples for better understanding of centrifugal force. When a vehicle crosses a muddy path, the mud flies off along the tangent. This happens due to centrifugal force, and the sparks produced by angle grinder fly off along the tangent, and this also happens due to centrifugal force. So that's all about our today's video. Thank you so much. We'll continue with our next topics in our next videos.